6 home tips to get your house ready for fall. Hi, I'm Liz Young. I've been an agent in this ever-changing real estate market for 18 years. I've seen it all. I love what I do, and more importantly, I love being able to provide knowledge to my clients, friends, and family. Buying and selling a home is one of the biggest investments we'll make in our lifetime. Let me help you through the process. Hi real estate friends, it's Liz Young with RE/MAX, and welcome to episode 44 of my video series. And today I have 6 home tips to get your house ready for fall. And even though I'm standing outside looking at the greenery in the background, I am waiting for fall just like everybody else and waiting for those leaves to turn orange and brown in all their great fall colors. And in the meantime, let's talk about a couple things you can do to get your home ready for fall. Number 1, schedule an HVAC maintenance. In the Carolinas, we often run the heat and the AC in the same week, therefore confusing the system a little bit, but as we get those colder nights, it's best to get your HVAC service scheduled. And I would also consider getting your air ducts cleaned. This is something I do every so often at my house, and while it is a little bit pricey, it's great if you have pets, college kids moving in and out, and just a great way to keep the air clean inside your home. Number 2, get your roof inspected. We did have a lot of hailstorms this summer, and many insurance companies are pretty good about providing some kind of credit or contribution towards roof repair or roof replacement due to hailstorms. So it's a great time to check on that as well. Number 3, I'm standing behind a gutter, and it's a great time to schedule your gutter cleaning and your downspout cleaning. And I know if I wait until the leaves start falling to schedule this with my gutter cleaning company, they are booked about a month out. Number 4, get your fireplace and chimney inspected to get ready for those fall fires. Number 5, clean your carpets, drapes, and any kind of fabric inside your house. It's a long, hot summer here, and we're going to be spending more time indoors as we move into fall and winter, so it's a great time to get those interior fabric areas cleaned. And finally, get your insulation checked, just to make sure that everything is running and insulating properly as we move into fall. So as always, reach out if you have any questions. I love to talk about real estate, and like you, I am ready for fall. Bye for now.